Hello everyone, we're back here with another video. This time we're going to do a number 18 or 2 1/4 inches up top. And on the sides we're going to do mainly a number 4, so here we go. Again, I say every video, if you're doing all one even length, you can just cut whatever direction, and I would highly recommend to cut in whatever direction so you can try to get as much off as possible. Sometimes with these longer guards you're going to have to lift your hair up as you see I'm doing here. You know, sometimes the hair gets stubborn when it comes with these longer guards. Again, just going over and over. So while this part is optional, I do recommend it. I'm going up with the number 6, something a little longer at the very top corner of the hair. You see I'm splitting my hair here at the hairline, and you can see I'm kind of flicking out once it gets towards the hairline so I don't go just directly straight up. And as always, what we do with one side of the hair on the sides, we're going to do it to the other, obviously. Unless you want something super unique and weird, but I would not recommend that. But also get the back. Use the mirror. It does take a little bit of practice to get from the back. If you have a friend or someone who, or family or someone who can help you, try to get them to help you. And right here, we're finally hitting it with the base number 4. You can go all the way up if you want. Like I said, the last part was optional. Super smooth, simple, easy around the ears, one side, and then we go to the other. Again, the back, you're not going to go all the way up as much as the number 6, obviously, if you choose to do number 6, but yeah, super simple. You're going to need a mirror, of course, and a mirror behind you to see what the heck you're doing. And here with the scissors, we're just going to go over and clean up around the ear. You could do it with the trimmer, but I do not like doing it with around the trimmer because I've cut the top of my ear too many times, and it's not a good feeling. Again, something that's optional. I'm going with the number 3 guard just around the sideburns and the very bottom of my neck on the back. Again, you don't have to do this. Just I prefer a little bit of a taper look. So something like this when you hit the back of your neck, probably go up around mid-ear, I'd say. As you can see, maybe an inch and a half at most. Again, just to taper out a little bit more. Then as you see here, we're going to go over the back with a trimmer. You can use a hair clipper or the trimmer to line it up. Again, if you have someone to help you, it makes it a lot easier. It's not as intimidating as it looks at first, and it does take a little practice, but again, with a little bit of practice, you're going to get it down, for the most part, pretty well. As you can see in the middle, my hair has like little thinning spots right there. I'm going to try to make as straight a line as possible with them there. So basically, before I show you the go around of the haircut, I wanted to talk about this little product that Mountrax was kind enough to send over. And it's not a sponsored video, but they did provide a 20% discount link and code in the description. I'll show you what it does real quick, just a real fast overview. Long press, it turns on. It even has a red light, which is said to promote hair growth. I'm not 100% sure how much that's true or not, but apparently there's studies out there that show it does. And look, just walking around, just lightly hold it over your head. You can use it anywhere. You can use it on your face, on your neck, 3 different speeds. If you long press this little heat button right here, I don't know if you really see it, but anyways, and you see a little red right here, light, and it warms up the back. So if you're having a little bit of neck pain, you can take turns between using the warm part and then using the massager. This thing is awesome. I'd highly recommend it. It takes a little while to warm up, of course. See different speeds and then turn it on or off. Highly recommend it. Hope you guys take advantage of that link. And let's get to the final results of the haircut. So here we are, what the final result of the haircut. Put a little styling cream on after the shower. Once again, we went over it with a number 18 guard on top. This is 2 1/4 inches. Very, very top of the sides. Again, you don't need to necessarily do that with the number 6. Base of the haircut's number 4 on the sides. And again, this part is optional too, as I just went over it with number 3 on the sideburns and the very bottom of the neck. Here are the results. Again, the neckline isn't necessarily perfect, but we're home barbers here. We're trying to cut our hairs our hair at home by ourselves without going to pay 25, 30, however much hair costs these days. Post-pandemic, which really sucks. Anyways, again, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty simple. Once again, if you need someone to help you line up and all that or get the back, it's not the most difficult thing in the world. It does take slight practice, but you'll get it. So thank you again for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace out. Enjoy.